Welcome to the HealthyNL and myCCath series of training videos. In this video, you will see how to use the referral filter to find, view, and or update referrals in myCCath. Specifically, you will learn how to navigate to the referral filter from HealthyNL and within myCCath, how to use the referral filter criteria to display referrals which meet your filter criteria, manage the filter criteria to view and sort referrals, and then select a referral from the referral filter and view its details. There are two ways to access the referral filter page. First, we'll begin by selecting a patient from HealthyNL and navigating to the myCCath application. We'll launch the myCCath application. And this approach could be used if you've created a referral for a patient and then would like to review referrals for other patients. So the patient data will load in myCCath, and you'll see in the menu section of myCCath the referral filter option. Clicking on the referral filter tab will select the referral filter and bring up the default filter criteria. The second way of accessing the myCCath referral filter page is by clicking on referrals, clicking on the cardiac cath lab option, and selecting the myCCath application to launch myCCath. This launches directly to the referral filter, where you can begin to start filtering and displaying referrals. Let's begin by reviewing the elements of the referral filter page. The Filter By dropdown identifies the general filter attributes, such as region, status, patient type, etc. Selecting the Filter By criteria then allows us to select specific filter values. The filter value dropdown identifies, as I said, those specific filter values. So in this case, we're filtering by region. Central Health, Eastern Health are the filter values available to us. Clicking the filter button enables the filter and returns the referrals that match that filter criteria. And then the reset button will clear the referral filter completely of filter criteria as well as the results. Let's review the data elements displayed on the referral filter page. In this scenario, we filtered by region, specifically referrals for Central Health. So across the top, we have the procedure ID and the accepted date. Note the accepted date is only filled in if the referral has been accepted. In this case, this referral has actually been scheduled. We have the region and the site name, so Central Health, and this is the site of the inpatient referral, referring patient's name and their MCP or their health card number, the status of that referral, the status date, that's the date that the referral has most recently changed, whether they're an inpatient or an outpatient, what are the reasons for the referral. So if there's multiple reasons for the referral, those will all be listed in this section. Procedure requested, what risk score was associated with that referral, the maximum wait time associated with the referral based on the scoring, what the urgency type was, whether it was a TIMI-STEMI or TIMI, if the cardiologist has overridden the wait time. In this case, none of these examples have that overridden. The next two columns identify the recommended maximum wait time benchmarks. So in this case, the recommended maximum wait time is that the referral, once it's been accepted, should be completed within 48 hours. This shows that the referral is currently still within that 24 to 48 hour time frame. This data will only appear once the referral has been accepted. And the last column identifies the requesting physician or the referring physician. You'll note these up and down arrows can be used to sort referral criteria. So clicking on the referral sorts it in ascending and descending order depending on the filter criteria. Sorting by procedure ID, sorting by status date. The referrals can be adjusted accordingly to the order in which is most helpful to the user. Let's look at the various filter criteria that are available and the results that are displayed. We've already looked at region. Let's choose the next one, which is status. Status identifies the different workflow states and all of the corresponding referrals that align to that state. So for instance, if we select referral submitted and click filter, we see all of the active referrals that are submitted. Now, one clarification, the referral filter is going to display all inpatient referrals for the sites, i.e. the facilities, you as the internist, referring physician, are associated with. So it will display referrals that colleagues associated with those facilities have created as well. It will display all of the outpatient referrals which you have created. So it limits the results set by inpatient to the facilities you've been associated with, and outpatient to your specific referrals. So in this case, referrals submitted, we're showing only those for test referring physician, which is the referring physician that I'm currently logged in as. We can look at other statuses as well. One particular status of interest is the referral scheduled, or patient is scheduled. This actually identifies the date on which the procedure is to be completed, or was completed in this case. Other filter by options, by inpatient or outpatient. So this again allows us to view all of the referrals which are inpatient referrals, and selecting outpatient. Similarly, these are the outpatient referrals that you as a physician are able to see. Urgency rating, the different scoring, referring physician, so we can specify which all of the referrals created by a test referring physician. So in this case, this is this user that's currently being displayed. These are all the referrals created by this particular physician. Procedure requested. It would include, in this case, cardiac cath left, but if there were other procedures requested, those referrals would be displayed as well. And what is the reason? So we would see all unstable angina referrals. Again, in each case, the referrals are limited by the referrals that for the sites that you are associated with as the referring physician, and outpatient referrals that you would have created. So you would not see outpatient referrals created by other referring physicians. The other limiting criteria is this is only going to show the active referrals. In this case, it's only going to show the active referrals. If you want to see completed referrals, then you'll need to select the status type and procedure completed. So this allows you to see all completed procedures. All of the other filter types will display active referrals versus referrals which have been marked completed or end state. Highlighting the row and clicking on the row selects the referral and displays the details of that referral. So in this case, we've selected a completed referral. We can look at the details of that referral, and one of the areas that is of interest would be the caret image, which is attached to the completed referrals, identifying the details of the findings by the cardiologist. You can then return to the referral filter and select another referral and view those referral details as appropriate. Clicking the referral filter tab takes you back to the referral where you can perform other referral filtering, etc.